Hey, welcome back to my SilverStripe tutorials. So today we're going to be creating a ModelAdmin for our sidebar here, and that will let us create video categories that we can use for our video objects. We're going to start by making our new data object for our video categories. So in the same directory as our video objects, we're going to create a new file. We're going to need to import the data object, field list, and text field classes. Once you've imported these three classes, you can go ahead and save this under video category.php. And we're going to define our class with the same name. And that's going to extend the data object just the same as a video object. In this DB array, we're just going to need a title. Now we're going to use a new relationship here to relate these to our videos, and that's going to be belongs many. And what this means is that a video can have many categories, and a category can belong to many different videos. So we're going to relate this to our video objects. Just like this. Now we need to reflect that in our video object. And this relationship is going to be called many. Now back in our video category, for our CMS fields, we're just going to return a field list with a single text field. That text field is going to be what we enter our title in. Now to manage and create these categories, we're going to create a new ModelAdmin. So we're going to open up a new file in the same directory. We're going to import the ModelAdmin. That's going to be under SilverStripe, admin, ModelAdmin. Go ahead and save that. And we're going to call this categories admin.php. We'll create our class and extend ModelAdmin. Now for ModelAdmins, we need at least three things, those being the menu title, the URL segment, and the managed models. So we're going to create our menu title now, and that's just going to be categories and our URL segment will just be categories but lowercase. Now for our managed models, that will be an array with our video category class. Now back in our browser, we're going to run dev build. And when that's finished, if you reload your CMS, you should see categories in your sidebar. Now we can create and manage video categories that we can use across several videos. So we'll go ahead and create a couple here. Now we're going to need the ability to tag what categories our video should get. So we're going to import a new class here called checkboxSetField. And we'll go ahead and add that to our field list. And that will manage our video categories. Now we're going to give it a label. Now we need to say what goes into this checkbox set field, and that's going to be the video categories. And we're going to get all of them. Now if you go back into your video object from the video page, you should see your categories listed here, which we can check this as sports and entertainment. Now we're probably going to want to reflect that on the front end in some way. So we're going to go back into our template. That's going to be in the themes and the templates folder under layout. And we'll just drop that under the video description. So we'll put a list here, and then we'll loop over the video categories. List item, and then we'll put the title in there. Now if you go back to your front end on your video page, you'll see your selected categories here. So we'll go ahead and try and change those up a little bit. Say this is just dance. Then refresh here. Now you can see we've got changed categories. So this was my brief introduction on the ModelAdmin. You'll usually use this to control data objects that you'll use across your site, so not page specific. In the next video, we'll go over page controllers and forms so that our users can enter comments. So catch you then.